Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
And the 75, the next number will be 80 minus 5. That is, we are going to remove 5 from 80. Holding, which is márùndín lọ́gọ́rin. I told you from the back we count. This is it. Márùndín lọ́gọ́rin. When you remove 5 from 80, it will give us 75. Now 85. 85 will be, the next whole number will be 90, which is 90 minus 5. And 90 minus 5 will give us, you count from the back, that one I said 75. This is the 75. I said márùndínlọ́gọ́rin. So this one now will be, this is 90. I told you that 10, mẹ́wàá, 20, ogún, 20, ogún, 30, ọgbọ̀n, 40, ogójì, 50, àádọ́ta, 60, ọgọ́ta, 70, àádọ́rin. So 80 will be ọgọ́rin. Now, what is 90? That is àádọ́rùn-ún. That's you remember is here. Márùndínláàádọ́rùn-ún. Láàádọ́rùn-ún, this is it. Márùndínláàádọ́rùn-ún. So now this one now will be, we are now going for 95. So 90 minus that, okay, that is 95. Now it will now be 100, the whole number. 100, the whole number, minus 5. So we read it now again. Márùndín, I said that ọgọ́rùn-ún. 100 we call 100 ọgọ́rùn-ún. Dín lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. Dín lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. So what is ọgọ́rùn-ún? 100. 5 márùn-ún. Dín, we remove dín 100 ọgọ́rùn-ún, that is 20 times 5. 20 times 5, that is, we can see 20 in 5 places in 100. So that is it for the revision. And I said 30 ọgbọ̀n, 50 àádọ́ta, 70 àádọ́ta, it will be àádọ́rin, 80, no, 90. 90 will be, this one is àádọ́ta, àádọ́rin, so this one will be àádọ́rùn-ún. I've mentioned it before. Àádọ́rùn-ún. So that is for that, from 1 to 100. 1, I said 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún, 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀sán, 10 ẹ̀wá, 20 ogún, 30 ọgbọ̀n. ọgbọ̀n, 40 ogójì, 50 àádọ́ta, 60 ọgọ́ta, 70 àádọ́rin, 80 ọgọ́rin, 90 àádọ́rùn-ún, 100 ọgọ́rùn-ún. So we want to start for today now from 100 to maybe 150 or whatever. So or more than that. So we shall continue. We want to continue from 101 now. So but I need to write this one before we explain it. This is 101, 102, 103, 104. And I've told you that, okay, let's remind us about plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, because we still use it. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, and minus 1. I said that 100 number in Yoruba is ọgọ́rùn-ún. So what to do with 100 now? I've said that 100 is ọgọ́rùn-ún. And that's ọgọ́rùn-ún, it means 20 times 5. We call it ọ̀rún. You can say ọ̀rún because we still make use of it when we are going. So, and I said that anything 1, 2, 3, 4, we call it lé, which is plus, the plus. Lé. The minus is dín. When we remove something, to remove. This one is to add. So now we now start again now. It means 100 plus 1. So we now have said that when we are reading Yoruba, onka Yoruba, we start from the back. So we now say ọ̀kànlé ọgọ́rùn-ún. That is, this is ọ̀kan. I told you that you can say ọ̀kan, ìkan, ẹyọkan. Ọ̀kànlé. The sign lé is ọ̀kànlé. This is it. Lé ọgọ́rùn-ún. This is the ọgọ́rùn-ún. Lé ọgọ́rùn-ún. So when we want to pronounce it, we now say ọ̀kànlé ọgọ́rùn-ún. Ọ̀kànlé ọgọ́rùn-ún. And this one is which is 101, and this one is 102. We start from the back also. The meaning is that 100 plus 2. So we can say èjì or èjì. 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 Ìkejì. Méjì. I've just made reference to it. We've done that one before. Èjì. Èjì. Méjì. Èjìlélọ́gọ́rùn-ún. Lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. And this one is 3. This is lé. This is ọgọ́rùn-ún. Ọgọ́rùn-ún. And this one is 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3. The 100 plus 3 means 3. Mẹ́ta, you can say mẹ́ta. Ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀ta. Ìkẹta. Mẹ́ta, lé. Lé. 100, ọgọ́rùn-ún. Lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. Lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. And this one is 104, which is 100 plus 4. 100 plus 4. It means Mary. Let's use ẹ̀rin. can remember that a, e, I, o, u, and the consonant letters, we still make reference to it. Ẹ̀rin, ẹ̀rìnlé, lé, lọ́gọ́rùn-ún, lọ́gọ́rùn-ún, lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. You can see it. So this is between 1 and 4, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. In any number that you want to know, anything from 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be lay, which that is the addition to the number, the addition to the whole numbers. And this one is, we are going for din now. Din. So the din will be -5, -4, -3, and -2, -1.